Hey y'all, it's your girl Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see from the title, I'm showing you guys how I achieve my flat twist. These are the things that you will need for this video. I am starting off with freshly air dried hair. This is my hair that I did for my Sip Tea Sunday. The previous Sunday, you guys will see me work through my hair, promote the hair growth, and then you guys will see me go in with my mist bottle to just, break that gel cast. Alright, so for this flat twist out, you guys will see me go in for a side part, and then after I'm done making my part, I will go in on the other side, section out a part so I can do a flat twist or flat braid so I can spice up the look. Alright guys, so now that I have my desired side part, I'm going in with my comb and I am just making a part so I can make sure that I have all the heat damage in one twist. I know I said that I'm working on air dried hair, but in the front for my heat damage, I had to wet it to make sure that when I put the products in there, when it's completely dry, that it will be a twist out at the end. To make sure that you guys have the perfect ends, I am finger coiling as you guys seen it. So as you guys see me doing right here, I am using my hands, my fingers, to make my parts because when I take out my twist tomorrow morning, I don't want those harsh comb lines. I must say my hair was dry at the end, so I did do the LCO method, the liquid cream oil, to make sure that my ends tomorrow morning will look good. Okay, so now it's time to do my little design on the side. You guys can honestly do braids, some twists, some more flat twists and leave them in. But I decided to do one French braid. As you guys can see, I honestly am still working on air dried hair. To make my parts look even and neat, I'm going in with some gel around the perimeter of it. And then you guys will see me going with my comb to help me start the braid. And then you guys will see me finish off the braid. Towards the end of the braid, I did a twist, a 2-strand twist. So in the morning, I can take it out and it can blend with the rest of my twist out. All right, y'all, so now that my flat twist is completed, I'm going in with my edge brush and I'm just brushing my edges together. I'm doing a 360 to show you guys how it looks. I'm going to wrap it and then I'm going to sleep, and I'll show you what I do the next morning. So the next morning, all I need is some oil and some edge control. I'm going in oiling my scalp, and then you guys will see me put some oil on my hands to take my twist down. Okay, so now that all my twist is done, I'm going in with some bobby pins to pin that braid to the back. And then as you guys can see, I still have the excess hair at the bottom out so it can blend with the rest of the twist out. Now, honestly, if you guys want me to be honest, my hair was still damp in the back, and towards the end of the video, you guys will see the shrinkage on how my hair ended up at the end of the day. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. You guys see me here just putting extra edge control, and then you guys will see me oil up my part. Please make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe this video off to your friends, and let them know about Mesha Curlz and the natural hairstyles that I am doing. Honestly, I will see you guys on Sunday, and this is the end of the video. You guys see me 3 hours later, how my hair puffed up, and the next day, honestly, my hair did not last. I just ended up puffing it up. I will see y'all later.